Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is throw some torn up Hawaiian rolls, put it on the bottom of your crock pot, like so. Once you have those in there, we're gonna come over to our mixing bowl, put in 1.5 cups of whole milk. Once you have the whole milk in there, you're gonna throw in 1/2 cup of cream. Once the cream is in there, we're gonna also throw in 1/2 stick of melted butter, as well as 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 3 eggs, and 1/2 teaspoon worth of cinnamon, and a couple teaspoons of vanilla extract too. Once you have all that in there, whisk it together. It's nice and smooth. All right, once you got that whisked together, go ahead and pour it over your torn up Hawaiian rolls. And then once you have your liquid in there, just give it a gentle stir to make sure all the Hawaiian rolls have gotten wet. And once you give that a gentle stir, we're going to take our pecans, just pour them over the top. Some people say pecans. That just sounds so bougie to me. Pecan? Pecan, pecan. I'm from South Carolina. We say pecans. I don't know. What do y'all say? Okay, once you got all your pecans on the top, we're going to put our lid on. We're going to put it on low for 3 to 4 hours. Pecan. All right, so after about 3 or 4 hours, we got this beauty right here. And as a little finishing touch, you're going to want to take a little maple syrup, just drizzle it over the top. And it's ready to try. Where should I dish from? This looks like a sweet little spot right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's good. That is like, yeah, it's like pecan pie with like Hawaiian rolls.